Want to know how to manage notifications in Remitly directly through your browser? So if you have your Remitly SMS to disable or enable, this video is for you. So on your web browser, just simply type in remitly.com, and once you're there, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the top right side, it should be seen welcome if you have signed in. We have also created a video on how to sign in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing welcome. Hit towards settings right here, and now once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing notifications right below profile information, so you can just simply select it. Now here is various notifications that you can manage. So first is app notifications. You can just simply enable or disable it right here, and emails, you can just simply enable or disable it, and also SMS notifications to your phone, so you can just simply disable it directly from here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily enable or disable notifications in Remitly. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.